And now you can see me. J-E-T-S, Jets. But anyhow, welcome to the wonderful world of pressure washing. As the weather creeps up, I'll be doing more and more pressure washing. Today I'm at Tomasino's over at Redbug, my favorite restaurant in the whole world. But let me switch it around. Come on, you can do it. Come on, there we go. It's already started. I don't have my hovercraft today, but this is the walkway where they draw out the grease back there, and so this gets pretty bad. So with any good degreaser, it'll help me break it up a lot more, so it comes out a whole lot cleaner and a whole lot easier. So, oh boy, here we go. And I work for pizza, so I get a whole bunch of pizza pies. So, here we go. I'm trying not to swing as I swing my brush, but there we go. Again, with a good degreaser, most of this stuff comes out. And if it's not grease, it's mold and mildew, I can switch it to chlorine to get some of it off. But yeah, here's the before and the after. And this is black all the way down, so I've already done that part. But yeah, like I said, as the weather gets warmer, it's time to pressure wash your pool deck, your pool screens, and all that good stuff. So I see Gage the gorilla is watching, and yeah, I wish he was here to do this. Maybe hold the camera for me, but I don't know. I think he would try to eat my phone. So here we go. And the weather is perfect for Florida. Hey, does she need pressure washing? Uh-oh. Cool, as I take care of some, I've got customers coming in on my messenger. So, but anyway, this is the main reason why we switched the name to Evolution Deep Clean. Because people ask me, Willie, what the hell is so dry about pressure washing? I go, it's not. Plus, we also switched to a super powerful Sapphire Scientific 8700, and it heats up the water. We do steam carpet cleaning as well. So for those really tough jobs, we bring out the big boys. We still do the dry system, but only in certain situations. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.